Hey friends, today we're talking about the GMC Canyon. These are great mid-sized trucks that really have good reliability, but sometimes they start to run poorly. If yours is running rough or hesitating or even stalling, it might be time to do some cleaning. The first thing you want to clean is your throttle body. Now, the throttle body is on the front of the engine. It's connected to the air cleaner box by an air duct. Just remove that air duct and then start the engine. While the engine's running, you can spray some cleaner into that throttle body and clean up that butterfly valve and that throttle bore while the engine sucks the cleaner in. That will restore airflow into your engine and make it run like it did from the factory. So make sure you use a good product like this throttle body and air intake cleaner. This stuff is available on Amazon. I put a link down in the description if you want to get some. There are several brands out there. This happens to be CRC. Now the next thing you want to do is clean your mass airflow sensor. This is a little device that fits down into your air cleaner box. It has two screws that hold it in. Just remove those two screws and pull it out so you can spray it off with some cleaner. If you happen to have the 2.4 liter engine in your Canyon, you won't even need to do this because it does not have a mass airflow sensor. But for the rest of the engine packages, you're going to want to clean it. So this gum out mass airflow sensor cleaner works excellent. So while you have the sensor in your hand and you're spraying it down, pay close attention to this little sensing element. It looks like a little resistor depicted by that green arrow there. When that gets dirty, it loses sensitivity, and then it causes the mass airflow sensor to incorrectly report the airflow coming into the engine, and then the computer makes fueling mistakes and causes drivability problems. So once you're done with that, the last step is to clean your fuel injectors. Now that's the easiest part. All you got to do is dump some of this fuel injector cleaner into the gas tank and drive the car. This happens to be Techron by Chevron. It's an excellent product. Autel also makes a good injector cleaner called Quick Shot. Either one of these would work just fine on your Canyon. So just dump it in the gas tank, drive the car. As the engine burns through that tank full of fuel, the injectors will get cleaned. So you may find that in the process of doing all these cleaning procedures, you may trigger some trouble codes and turn on your check engine light. Not to worry, you can clear those codes out using one of these little pocket scanners. This one's made by Autel. They're available on Amazon for less than $40. They're real simple to use, and you can turn that check engine light off real quick. Keep this thing in your glove box, so if some point in the future you see your check engine light ever come on again, you can check it out yourself. Save yourself a trip to the shop. So let's get your GMC Canyon running good again. If you have one of these trucks, you know they are nice. They're a great size. They've got good power, great cargo capacity. Just do these three things every 30,000 miles would be my recommendation to keep it running good. Simple procedures you can do right there in your own driveway and save yourself a bundle of money. Hey, thanks for tuning into the channel. Subscribe if you'd like to, and I hope you have a good day.